How to find a Nordstrom store near you. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can use to find a Nordstrom store near us, including the full line Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack, even if you're outside of the US. So let's get started. So we can directly visit the Nordstrom Store Locator, the official site, and this should open up. Now, once we have opened up, what we can do is we should be finding a search bar and a map available. So here we can enter up a zip code or location. So go ahead and enter it up or a postal code and click on go. And once you've done so, it should show us uh, the nearest Nordstrom department. So here we can scroll down and here look out for the nearest Nordstrom department store or Nordstrom Rack location with addresses and basic info. Because Nordstrom is a US based department store, most of its physical stores are in the United States. If you're outside of the US, you may not find local brick or mortar stores, but you can still browse the store list or shop online. You can go ahead and tap on their name in order to view the services they are providing and their opening and closing hours as well. You can just go over and find the nearest store and go ahead and view it. And this is how you should be able to find it up, so you can follow this method. For now, we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.